Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for future uploads. Ready? Let's go! Now let's see what we got in this Super Mario thing here. Because this will be interesting because I don't know any of the characters in Super Mario at all. But right off the bat, these were $4.99. There's some good parts in here right off the bat. Who cares if you even build it as the character? Because the parts in here are great. Look, there's angle piece, 2 Technic pieces, 3 Technic pieces, another angle piece. These are Technic arms. That's pretty sweet. All kinds of like good standard pieces, 2 window pieces, and a square blocky thing. It looks like maybe the base, but whatever. We're laughing. This is pretty sweet. Let's go with it. Let's build it and see what it comes out as. Because I have no idea. I've only played Donkey Kong when I was younger, and then from that I didn't play any more Mario. This is a cactus we're making. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that would go into there. And the other one would go in the other side. So, the Super NES set and all the Mario line that they have doesn't really interest me because I wasn't a big Mario fan. Just like I said, Donkey Kong was my thing, and even that. Okay. This is silly. This is like a bee or something. Oh, and there's printed tiles. Oh my goodness, and that's right, shiny. That's a sticker already put on the tile. A sticker put on the tile. Now, that's something new, because I've either only seen printed tiles or stickers that you have to put on yourself. And they've got them pre-stickered. Very interesting. Very interesting. So we'll put that on there. And the back side there. And Technic arms in the Technic holes. The hands don't turn, it's just the arms. And the angry bee face, I guess it is. Looks like a bee. It's pretty cool. And a few extra flowers and parts. Oops. It goes down there. Yeah. What is this guy called? Bullet Bill. They got them listed out on the back, so that's pretty cool. Now, it says get the app for more fun. I guess we'll have to check that out. But maybe it only works with like, oh, and probably only works, yes, it only works with that Super Mario starter kit, which you need to get. And these are like little DLCs, I guess you want to call it. But they're cool little figures anyway. But anyway, and that's it. I just wanted to see what those ones were like, so yeah, so that's my haul and the builds for the 1st of August 2020. Still in somewhat quarantine here. Well, we're not really. We can move about the 3-4 provinces right now, but that's it. Can't go to anywhere up beyond that. Anyway, happy building on, and we'll talk to you again soon. Camera's too low. See ya. Bye. Hey, if you want to see more of my Lego theme park or do-it-yourself tips and tricks, check out my other videos.